this is gonna not turn out well.
Maggie needs her white.
You're gonna knock out.
She's a snow baby. Maggie's a snow baby.
Maggie.
She's a little polar baby. And I got
Alligators may live here. Be gators safe? Crazy. Livy, don't shake it.
It's mostly pop.
Brad, poor Brad, he's scared. Like, why? Why? You don't know?
I thought it'd be fun.
You thought it would be fun and not...
I'm gonna start sliding.
Why don't you just go back the way you came?
I'm right
Those are thorns. This is how you get poison ivy and poison oak. Huh? Parkour, she says. Thanks for hanging out with us. If you'd like to see more videos, go ahead and subscribe and give this video a like. You can also hit that bell for notifications when we post new videos. Thanks for watching. We hope you come back.